Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it. And then let's tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And in order to check the available updates, just tap on Updates here. And as you can see, we've got still plenty of apps to update. So basically all you have to do in order to update is to mark the ones which you would like to download. Of course, you can mark all of them if you want to, but I will pick, for example, Google Chrome, the calendar maybe, and the Gmail. And after marking them, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, those apps will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.